Good, very sunny afternoon, everybody. It's almost towards the end of the day. Renato finished the painting on the inside of the mini rebuild. And the last couple of days, Dwight and me also did some work. Now here it's a little bit messy. But finally we emptied Big Tim and Vanessa a couple of days ago already. And we needed to clear out some stuff that needs to either be thrown away or recycled, but we have to sort it out still. Watch me and Dwight unload Big Tim. It was really hot those days. We also sorted out the inside of the shed because we put a lot of stuff from Tiny Tim. We just dumped it into the shed because we needed to sort out some shelving and stuff. After I sorted out the shelving, we cleaned up the rest of the shed. Small warning though, because of the heat, I was in my very small, very short shorts. Dwight just told me that Zoey is out of the picture. And this comes because of the very big Akira. Zoey. Zoey. Ooh, a kiss! Wow! Oh, good, sweetie. Remember this dog? This is Zoey. Hey, Zoey. Ooh. What are you shy today, sweetie? You shy? So yeah, let me show you the end result of a very stuffed shed. Still more stuff should go in there. Like some of this stuff we want to recycle. And also in the kitchen part is some stuff still that I would like to have in here. But yeah. Oh. We use the light at the Mini. I hope you can see something. Oh yeah, that's very well visible. Yeah, so it doesn't look like that much here, but it's stuffed to the end. Well, you can imagine it's like the size of Big Tim and Vanessa together. But at least we managed to fit that all in. Now, let's get on to the Mini and see what Renato has done. I took a sneak peek already. It looks mighty fine. Ooh, you guys found something? Squirrel? Meep meep.
Aonde? Aonde? Opa. Músculos. If everybody do cement, everybody gets muscles.
Our legs are a little bit elastic today. It's probably from mixing and pouring all the cement yesterday. Going up the hill very slowly. Hey, there go the garbage man. Whew. Akira has no problem going up the mountain. Hey, Zoey! big dust cloud and they're gone. Where's Zoey, sweetie? Zoey! Zoey!
Olha.
Oh, the first one was Zoey. I'm so used to getting Akira first. Hey, sweetie! Welcome back. Zoey! Where did you go, sweetie? So Renato spent 2 days painting the inside of the mini rebuild. Watch the clip and after I'll show you the end result. Yeah, that looks mighty fine, right? Super nice. The contrast also with the wood. We put on, Renato put on 2 layers. It should be more than sufficient. It looks mighty fine. We still need to take off the paper, like from the window in the door. This is coming together nicely. We also bought some floor paint. Not because specifically we want to paint it, but more like as a protective layer. Because yeah, the cement will probably scrape off a little as you use it. So we bought a big bucket of floor paint and we're gonna try and do that tomorrow. So yeah, after the floor paint has dried, I think Renato can move in. Zoey, amor. You maybe want to say goodbye to the people from YouTube? Together, like with the 3 of us? Akira. Akira, amor. The girls are very hot. Tomorrow or the day after tomorrow we're gonna get the pool up. And I'm also gonna create a small pool for the girls. I don't know if Zoe's gonna go in it, but Akira's gonna love it. Yeah, so if you like our channel, I'll bring Zoe more in the channel. Huh, Zoe? If you like our channel, maybe take a subscription. If you like this video, give it a like. Akira. Akira? Akira, Annika, amor. Annika. Thank you for watching another video of the Portugal project. If you want to follow the Portugal project more closely, you can also add it on Facebook. Or add me on my personal account on Facebook or Instagram. See you next time at the Portugal project.